In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages within a page on Squarespace. This is a useful feature if you're looking to organize your website content in a more intuitive way, perhaps by grouping related pages together under a single drop-down menu. This can make navigation easier for your visitors and help keep your site tidy and structured. To start, head over to the home page of your Squarespace site. Once there, you will notice a section labeled Website. Give it a click. This area is essentially the control center for your Squarespace site, where you can manage all aspects of your website's design and content. Next, look for the Pages option in the left-hand menu. Clicking this will bring you to the Pages section of your site, where all your current web pages are listed. This is where you can view your existing pages, rearrange them, or create new ones. Once you're in the Pages section, direct your attention to the top corner of the screen where you'll see a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new content to your site. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, displaying several options for the type of page you can add. To create a drop-down menu that will house your nested pages, choose the drop-down option from this list. Selecting this option allows you to create a category under which you can organize related pages. It's a neat way to maintain cleanliness, especially if you have a lot of content that could be logically grouped together. Now that you've selected the drop-down option, it's time to give your drop-down a name. This name should reflect the content category of the pages you'll be placing within it. Type in the name in the provided field. This label is what your visitors will see as they navigate through your site. After naming your drop-down, you'll need to click on the ADD Page button. This step is about populating your new drop-down with content. Clicking ADD Page will present you with several types of pages you can create within the drop-down. For this tutorial, we're going to add a blank page. Once you've clicked on Blank Page, you'll be prompted to name this new page. Choose a name that accurately reflects the content or purpose of the page. This name will show up as the link within your drop-down menu, helping guide visitors to the right area of your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down with an organized page under it, perfect for a clean, structured site experience. Remember to periodically check your site's navigation to ensure everything works smoothly for your visitors. Continue to expand and enhance your website's functionality by utilizing these nested pages to present your content in the most effective way possible. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!